Hey everyone, it's Jocelyn and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing another Glossier package. I love Glossier so much and I'm super excited. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start off by cutting the tape. Okay, now we gotta see what's inside. Oh, it's upside down. Of course. I always open them upside down. I don't know why. Definitely one of my biggest purchases that I've made from Glossier because I think they gave me 2 bags. I haven't seen the inside yet. This is just what I see. So Glossier logo on the bag, and this bag looks bigger, I think. Yeah, there's 2 bags. Oh my goodness. Okay, this only has 1 product though. I don't know why they gave me. Is this a bigger bag? Wait, I'm gonna get my other bag. So here's the bags that I've previously gotten. Yep, it's a lot bigger. I didn't know they had different sized bags. I thought they were all the same. But I got this bag, and inside there was only one thing, and it was the Glossier Stretch Concealer. I've been wanting to try this for a really long time. Got it. Okay. So I opened it up. The top just looks like that. And inside is the Glossier Concealer. It's so pretty. So that's what the inside looks like. Like I said, it was kind of hard to choose my shade online, but I think this is the best match that I could have made. Glossier Concealer in the shade G7, or no, G6, and I like the shade. I think I chose the right one. So that's the first thing I got. And it's kind of weird that they put it in this bag because it was like the only thing in there. If you guys want to order Glossier, I have a discount code and I'll put it in the description and in the comments down below, and it will give you 10% off your next Glossier order. But we have a second bag. But first, I'm going to show you guys the other things I got. So I got the Glossier sticker, and then I got the sample of the Future Dew because I want to see how this is. I don't think I'd be a fan of it just because I have oily skin and I don't want my skin looking any shinier, but I thought I would just try it out since it is a sample. And here we have the second bag. You guys can probably see some things that I got. So the first thing I got was the Glossier Zit Stick. Just looks like this. This is benzoyl peroxide, and that's like what really helps my acne. And I use the Neutrogena one, and I really like it. So that's why I decided to get this one. I like when they do packaging like this. It's so cute. They sent me an email, which I thought was funny. Oh, it's twist. Yeah, they sent me an email because I bought it. They said that it has to do like 16 clicks before a product coming out. Twisting. It's getting harder to twist. Oh, okay, it came out. Oh my goodness, that took forever. So it finally came out, and that's what it looks like. Kind of smells like regular acne treatment. That took a very long time to twist. I was getting kind of worried. I thought mine was broken for a second, but just gotta keep twisting and then the product will finally come out. I also got the Milky Jelly Cleanser. I already have this, but when mine runs out, I don't want to have to wait like a week for a new one to come in, so I'm just gonna have this as a backup. And I have been using it every morning and night, and I really like it. It makes my skin feel really soft. That's something I've noticed, and it doesn't dry out my skin like my old face wash used to do. So if you guys want to try this, I definitely recommend it. This is the Glossier Super Glow Vitamin C, and let's open it up. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like that big. That's a good thing. So it's just like a serum, vitamin C serum, obviously, and I don't want it to like touch my skin because they say the dropper is not supposed to touch your skin, but not really much of a scent. It feels nice on the skin though, and it doesn't leave a residue feeling on my fingers, so that's good. And I also got the Glossier Super Bounce. They ran out like completely of the other one. I forgot what it was called though, but it's like a blue one and they don't have it. They're out of stock. So I know that one's like really good for acne prone skin, but they ran out of it. So I also got the Super Bounce Hyaluronic Acid Vitamin B5. Yeah, these are way bigger than I thought they were gonna be. Like, I thought they were gonna be like where the G is. And this one, let's see if this one has a scent. I mean, it wouldn't really make sense if they had scents because they are just serums. Okay. Nope. No scent. I actually like that they don't have scents because I hear that it's not good for your skin for them to be having that, so I guess that's a good thing. Last thing I got was something I've been waiting all week for it to arrive because I've been wanting to try it out so bad, and it is the Glossier Mega Green Galaxy mask. Or does that say pack? Pack. Yes, the Mega Green Galaxy pack. And let's open it up. The sticker, first off, is so cute. And it's like nice because if you run out of the face mask, you can reuse this container. I've smelled that before. It kind of smells like a lotion. The reason why I got the green mask instead of the other one is because the other one's hydrating and I don't want my skin hydrated because, like I said, I have oily skin and I feel like that'd just make it worse. So believe it or not, I have another Glossier package coming, and that one's gonna be more makeup related because this one was like skincare. I got one makeup product, but my next unboxing is gonna be more makeup related, so definitely stay tuned if you want to see that. That is it for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!